So I talked to a number of them today. For our new product development, there are a number of requirements that are given to us by the government that is different than the aerospace environment. A lot is centered around the NIST 800 standards, as well as the fact that for JLTV we have to meet the IATF quality standards. It's a little bit more than just what ISO is to date. And both of those standards have to be flowed down to our vendors and then even sub-tiered down to their other vendors. And the NIST 800 is a very cost-driven necessity by the government. So a lot of the smaller vendors are being pushed back on that, saying that it's not worth our time to do it. So we're trying to be more proactive in those discussions with the vendors up front, so they know that if you're going to work for the land-based systems going forward, that you do need to consider this in your thought process. And I think half the people I talked to said, oh yeah, we know about NIST 800, we're already certified and we're good to go. And a lot of that I have not gotten in a lot of discussion previous to coming here, so that was a good thing to see.